About this item: internal mini SAS data cable connects a RAID or PCIe controller with an SFF-8087 port to 4 discrete SATA drives. Mini SAS to SATA adapter provides reliable internal connectivity between a serial attached SCSI controller card in a computer system and direct attached storage devices with a SATA connector. Leverage hardware RAID performance with this SATA multi-lane cable. 2 cables can connect up to 8 SATA drives to span RAID controller arrays and share performance across 2 PCIe 2.0x 8 lanes with compatible host bus adapters. Supports up to 6 GB data transfer rate per drive. DIY or Pro installers both appreciate the convenience of a forward fan-out cable with an internal MSA's connector when expanding storage needs. 3-foot cable harness of SAS to SATA cable provides sufficient length for internal cable management. Slim ribbon cables minimize airflow impact in a computer case. Flexible design of SAS breakout cable includes acetate cloth tape over slim ribbon cables for strain relief to protect cables without rigidity. Woven mesh sheath covers half of the cable for easy routing. P1 to P4 markers provide easy ID after installation. Low-profile SATA connectors have easy grip treads with stainless steel latches to prevent accidental disconnection and reduce vibration. Disconnection in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: internal